To export Monday.com groups, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a smooth and efficient process. First, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board that contains the group you want to export. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the group and select the export option from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window where you can choose the export format, such as CSV or Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs and select the columns you want to include in the export. You can choose to export all columns or only specific ones. Once you have selected the format and columns, click on the Export button to start the export process. Depending on the size of your group, this may take a few seconds or minutes. When the export is complete, you will receive a notification and the exported file will be saved to your computer. You can then use this file to import the data into another Monday.com board or a different platform. It is essential to note that the export feature is only available to administrators and owners of the board. If you are not the owner, you will need to request permission from the owner to export the group. Best practices for exporting Monday.com groups include regularly backing up your data, exporting groups to CSV for easy import into other platforms, and using the export feature to move data between boards. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently export your Monday.com groups and ensure that your data is safely stored and easily accessible.